everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add revolving text effect on CapCut apps. This is the newest and the new effect on CapCut. So let's get started. First, open the CapCut and click new project and add the video that you want to edit. And then after this, you can click on the in here I wanna show you this is the original video like this, but in here I wanna add revolving text effect. So just click on the effect at the bottom, this one, and then click body effect, and you can click on the headwear. Click on it, and in here you can see revolving text, this one. This is the newest effect on CapCut, so just click on it and click check icon in here, and then set the effect until the end of the video. And after this, you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the filter like this, and you can adjust for the speed, for the color, and then for the intensity like this. After this, you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add revolving text effect on CapCut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.